Are you in need of the tool to convert your EML file into PDF? Introducing SysTools EML to PDF Converter software. Quickly convert EML files into PDF format without data loss. Key features of the software. Convert EML to PDF, PST, HTML, MSG, MBOX, NSF, MHT, TXT and Office 365. EML to PDF converter tool has multiple preview options like hex view, properties, HTML, attachment etc. Software provides option to create single PDF for each folder. The software provides advanced settings options which have date range, naming convention, base number, page layout etc. Go to Google and enter SysTools EML to PDF converter. Click on the link shown on your system screen. Then click on the download button. Install and run the software. The first window will appear of the software. Explore the folders from the left side pane of the software window and navigate to the location where you have saved your EML files. Select the folder which contains the EML files. Once you select the folder, the emails will be visible in the right side pane of software. The tool provides various preview options to analyze your emails like normal mail view, hex view, properties, message header, MIME view, HTML, RTF, and attachments. Default view option will be normal mail view. If you want to export selected emails, then select the emails and click on the Export Selected option. If you want to export all emails, then click on the Export option. A window will appear. Here you will see multiple export option. We are converting into PDF format. Select the PDF radio button, and click on Advanced Settings option. You can see here multiple setting options. In general setting you can choose the provided naming conventions according to how you want to name your resultant file. You can apply date filter as per requirement. Select the date. Now select the month. Select the year. Repeat the same process for select the end date. If you want to include internet message header, then check the box, otherwise, you can uncheck the box. In page layout section you can add the required page margins. You can select paper orientation as per your requirement. You can choose page size. You can add font size, font color and font type as per your requirement. In base number section, fill the required columns to add page numbers and date stamp. In attachment section, apply the required attachment settings. Now click on the Save button to save the settings. Here you can see the default location to save converted files. If you want to change the default location, click on the Browse button. Select the destination path, and click on the OK button. Select Create Single PDF for each folder option. At last, click on the Export button to start the conversion process. Once the export process is completed successfully, click on the OK button. Here the software will show you Export Process Report. Provide a location to save the export report and click on Save button to save the export report in CSV format. You can directly access the result file by click on the location. Here you can see your all exported file. And that's it. Log on to the given product page for more detail in purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.